Do you need to create a professional real estate video quickly and easily? Let me show you how to do it with VibePeak. First, go to the real estate section and choose your video format, horizontal or vertical, depending on where you want to publish it. Next, upload the images of your property. You can manually crop them to fit your selected format, or let the AI automatically do it for you. Then, you'll find 3 transformation options. Add life only, without modifying the property. Renovate the property. Renovate and add life. In this case, we're going to choose the third option. Renovate and add life, to achieve a complete transformation of the space. After that, select the style you want for your property. In this example, I chose to redesign and enhance it to create a more attractive, modern, and visually striking look. Now comes the most powerful part. Customize your video in detail. Write your script, choose the voice you prefer, and even clone your own voice. Add music, include your real estate agency's logo as a watermark, and enable subtitles. Finally, preview the project using the slider. You can review the transformation changes and check the final result. If there's anything you don't like, you can easily regenerate or modify it by writing a prompt. You can even rearrange the order of the videos to better match your script or completely remake a scene. Make all the adjustments you think are necessary. And just like that, you can create professional real estate content in just minutes with VibePeak.